Hello there. There's something interesting I wanted to mention. I have this account on Fiverr where I offer two different services currently. I'll be updating them soon with more services. The first service is where I will draw terrible pixel art for someone. You can see it's this stuff like this right here. So that's fine. That's all well and good. But the second service is making sound effects. As you can see right here, 3 short, silly, possibly even usable sounds for $5. I call it Basic Plorp. And to my surprise, someone actually bought the sound effects. Twice. Twice they bought sound effects. Very surprising. Just to give you an idea of what the sound effects are like. Plorp. These are my demonstration sound effects. And even with these demonstration sound effects as they are, someone still ordered some custom sound effects. Plorp. Plorp. So based on that, someone ordered stuff. Now, let me give you an example of a few of the sound effects I created, custom sound effects, for these orders. Here's one of them. And another one. And another one. That one was actually made using a spring. So just a couple more. And I'm highlighting these because I guess I'm just so surprised that people have ordered custom sound effects like this. And then just one more to highlight. So those are some of the sound effects, custom sound effects that I created for the customer. Now they gave me a basic idea of the theme they wanted, but if they had told me specifically what the sound effects were going to be used for, I could have perhaps made them match the intention of their use a little more fully. But, I mean, if you want custom sound effects that are strange, whatever, I have this Fiverr page. It looks like you actually can make a few bucks on Fiverr occasionally, and I'll be probably adding some more services soon. So anyhow, I just wanted to do a video about that and point that out. So, thanks for watching and voting, liking, all that stuff. And now I need to wrangle my pet cat.